don't think. Weird. I just have another glove. I'm gonna put it. So this should not be too bad because it's the 1 inch was tricky. So this there, and then just so it's. I'm gonna do like 1 pump and then I'll do it, like check it and see, because it's not a huge angle that I need. So I just try to keep it pushed to the one side.
Like the one side of the roller?
Yeah, like on there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then if you want, I can hold on that if you want to hold on to the end. So, and then once it flicks out. It's way easier with 2 people. Hello! And then we'll just put it onto the floor and then just see how that.
Okay.
I can already tell it's not enough, but
tends to have more. Is that what or maybe it's.
I think it might be because you're looking at the floor and the line I have here is crooked.
Okay.
Like that's like, off.
Like, is that side slightly more curled than this
side?
side?
It depends on how you turn it, right? Like,
yeah, okay.
If I have it centered, if I put a center line on this,
yeah,
and then marked my lines on either side there,
yeah,
then you would be able to tell. Like
right.
if I had lines to follow for this, but I do have lines to follow for this, and this is my center, and then those are my 2 corners that I need. So as soon as this hits
these here,
that corner and that corner, so that's the radius of the wall, right? So I'm trying to match the radius of the wall with this piece, and then I can build the rest of it.
Okay. Are you doing like the rest of the shelves just like straight?
Straight. So yeah. So where I have that line, and then like those 90s there, that's where that will sit. And so I'm actually only going to build the bottom piece, and then I'm going to take it to the house just to make sure that it does actually match that. And then he's happy with like the curve, and he's happy with everything.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be 16 inches up. We'll have a shelf, and then so we're going to do, or then there'll be 2 other shelves. So you're going to have, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of this.
Okay.
And then we're getting glass to put on top of it.
Okay, fancy.
Yeah. So that will be really nice. And then because it's like a living room, it's so he's gonna have it's his living room. So it's gonna be a big TV stand that he's gonna have on here. But the nice thing about this is even if they have to pull it away from the wall, the top glass piece can be made bigger because it will just sit on top of it.
Okay.
I have to figure out how that's gonna work for the inside shelving. Whether I don't know if they can like notch the glass to have it notched around like where my uprights will be, or however that will look. But if I need to have it so they inset it into the frame, then I'll build stoppers so that my glass gets put in. They can get offered in there. But yeah, I think that
small shoes there.
Yeah, cool. Well, we'll give it another. Well, that moves. So I might be to. Can you just pull turn the handle to see if it goes through? Oh. But before you go,
sorry.
No, that's okay. Just give it one more, push that once more. Perfect. And then now let's roll it. One day I will have that mounted to my floor. One day.
This isn't the worst for now.
No. It's a good workout for your day.
Yeah, totally. I was thinking yesterday I didn't start working out or something. I was like, maybe I'll start with daily walks.
Yeah, there you go. But you work for me now, so now you have your workouts set up for you. Right. With improper tooling.
Yeah, exactly.
Or wait till we have like scrolls to make, or when I have my bender that I put on the back of my truck. That thing's a doozy.
Can't wait.
But like, imagine the size of rings you could roll with this.
Totally.
I would like to build a gantry so that if I am to build like really big rings, that you just attach it like somewhere to the gantry and then it holds it up high.
Right.
Just go there.
It just makes it handy to, I don't know, move stuff around or whatever.
Yeah. Okay, well, I think we'll have one more to go. But that's looking good. Maybe we'll try 2 pumps this time. Pump it up. These look like they might even be exactly the right length that we need. It's just so I had to get them cut in half from the steel plates to fit in the back of my truck.
Right.
Doing this with 1 inch was a lot trickier. Plus I was by myself doing it.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds all kinds of worse.
So I'm going to roll to get it to lock in. Okay. And then, alrighty. Let's get those pipes flowing. Oh, this might even be too much. I feel like it definitely is too much. That's okay. Watch your eyes.
Yeah, right. And we're just gonna have a really cool big circle. And we're going.
Okay, well, we might have to take this into something else.
Yeah.
I can already tell it is too.
Okay.
Do you know, I still would have somehow found a way to manage to do this by myself.
I totally know you would. How you do it, I don't know.
Well, I have to build a really big picture frame, yes.
Alright.
2 pumps is too much.
This is too much. Here. We've moved a whole foot.
We're just letting it go from the top. Okay, so you hold that to the side.
Okay.
So it doesn't hit that. Right? Here, you stand on that end. And then just make sure that that doesn't hit.
Yeah.
We're almost there.
So bad.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. So we know that that's
The
too much.
circle's too tight.
But how cool is that?
Nice. What a beautiful circle.
We're gonna have to make that into something. How's that feel?
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the burn.
Okay, well, good thing I bought lots of that because we'll use that for something. Make something fun with that.
Yeah.
Tabletop or something.
Tabletop. That's exactly what I was just thinking.
Because it's a perfect circle.
It's a nice circle.
And it's nice because when you're building circles and you use a little bit more than you have to, because you're always going to have a kink in the end from when you first pull it down.
Right.
Sometimes you can like smooth it and go back and forth, but because that's where the rollers sit, you have to get it into there. So always when you're building circles, make sure you could like have at least 4 inches extra, at least on either side.
Gotcha.
Cool. Nice job. Your
Wonderful.
first rings is complete. Wasn't the worst.